Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your table view to a data source and a delegate. So select your data view on the storyboard and then come over to the connections inspector, and you're going to see that for outlets for a table view it looks a little bit different than some of your other elements. You're going to see data source and delegate, and those are the two that we're going to connect. For this challenge we're connecting these to the view controller. So the way that you can do this is select the view controller, select the table view, and then from where it says data source, you're going to drag this over to the view controller. Okay, and now when we come back to the table view, we can see that the data source is the view controller, and we are going to do the same thing for the delegate. So the table view's delegate is going to be our view controller file. All right, and that's how you connect the data source and the delegate.